dear students of St. Peter's College, Colombo, Nigambo branch, for our environmental lesson of water. Today we'll see about water. What are the things about water? What are the things that we can learn about water that we are using every day? Water. Water is very important for every living thing. Is it true? Yeah. Water is very important for every living thing. Means plants, animals and human beings cannot live without water. That means not only for us, plants and animals also need water for their living. Without water, animal and human being, they all can't live. Next, we should protect water. Why we should protect water? Because we can't live without water. Let's see. How does water makes environment beautiful? Is water making environment beautiful? Yes. We'll see how it makes our environment beautiful. We'll talk about a river. River means a flowing water. When the river makes the environment beautiful because of the way it flows. The way it flows, how this river flows. I think everybody has seen a river. Sometimes this river flows very calm and quiet way. Sometimes it flows very fast. Sometimes we can see it's coming over the rocks. It's really nice to see. It's over the rocks and it's turning. And so many things are there in the river. If we see the places to places, river to river, it's really different. If you go to one place in one river, if you go to some other place, it's totally different than the previous place. If you go to Kalani River, but if you go to some Kalu River or somewhere, it's something else there. You can see it's total different, total beauty. Total different beauty is there in different river. Next, what is very important for every living thing? Welcome dear students of St. Peter's College, Colombo, Nigambo branch for the environmental lessons. Today's lesson is water. We'll see water is very important for every living thing. It says water is very important for every living thing. Is it true? Yes. Water is a very important thing for all of us. All of us means we'll see who are they. Plants, animals and human beings cannot live without water. Plants, animals and human beings. All are living things. So they can't live without water. So why we should protect water? Because we can't live without water, we should protect water. Let's see what this water giving us. First is about a beauty, environment beauty. We'll say, how does water make environment beautiful? We'll talk about river. The river makes environment beautiful because of the way it flows. The river, it makes very nice, beautiful environment. Everybody likes to see the river when it flows. Sometimes it flows calm and quiet way. Sometimes it flows very fast. Sometimes we can see it flows over the rock. It's very nice to see. So children like to sit on the rock and put their legs down. It's really nice area. So in the same river even we can see it's different to places. We will say, and river to river also it's really different, and the beauty also very different. Some river what they give, the other river it gives total different beauty. So the water gives more beauty from these rivers. Next is waterfall. They say waterfall. It is beautiful when water falls from the top to the bottom of the mountain or a rock. Waterfall means the water it falls down from high area to low area. It can be a rock or it can be a mountain. So there are so many waterfalls in Sri Lanka. Nice waterfalls. So some waterfalls are Dunhedar, Devon Falls, Dunhedar, Devon and Sencrab. This is only three there are, but there are so many waterfalls. I think children have seen these waterfalls, some even at least one or two even. And you know what a beautiful thing it is. And we'll see the next one. Water makes trees grow well. Water makes trees grow well. This water helps to trees to grow well. It gives all the water which trees need. Near the rivers and lakes. I think you have seen a nice greenery. The trees are very green, not like the other area. Those near the rivers and lakes and things, these trees are very healthy looking and very green and very strong trees in close by. If there is water. If there is no water, it will be like this. Now you know the difference with water and without water. What will happen to the tree? With water, it will be like this, and without water, it will be like this. So what is nice? With water. That means without water, trees can't live. They will die. When water gathered in some places, like to the lakes and rivers, water gathered those lakes and rivers. What is happening? Lots of animals come to drink water to these lakes and rivers. Lots of animals come to drink water in the evening and the morning, especially. They are coming to drink the water. So all like elephants, deers, tigers, everything comes to the water. Now, we talk about how this water makes the environment beautiful. Next, we'll see the uses of water. What are the uses of water? There are so many uses of water, but we'll see the few uses, the main uses. There are so many uses. Only we are talking about main uses. The first one is for drinking. Drinking is the main purpose. Without drinking water, we can't live long. It's only short period we can live without water, like 1 week, maximum 1 week, like or 2-3 days. It's really hard. So without water we can't live. So main is drinking, for drinking. Next is for washing. The first washing means first we have to clean ourselves. We have to wash the things that we have used, our utensils, our clothes, and so many things are there. But we have used, and by washing only we are cleaning everything. So to clean we need water. For cleaning everything we need, the main thing is water. Next is for cooking. Cooking. First, when we are starting to cook, we have to clean all the food by washing. After that, for cooking, we have to add water and boil it and cook. And even we are putting coconut milk, even we need water to get the milk. Or whatever it is, we need water for cooking. Next is bathing, to clean ourselves. Without, we have to, in the morning, in the evening, in the night, before sleep, we have to clean ourselves. At least 3 times a day, we have to clean ourselves. So, mainly for these, for brushing teeth, for the bathing and everything, we need water for bathing and cleaning ourselves. And transportation. For transportation also, water is the main thing, because on the water they transport a lot of things, people and things, by ships and yachts, boats. People use a lot of things for transportation by like this. Ships, they can carry many loads of people than the plane or buses, and they can carry so many containers to countries. So they use ships to move the things to country. And the next one is cultivation. Cultivation is what? The main thing is the plants. Can plants grow without water? No. That means if we talk about cultivation, that means we need water. Daily for the cultivation, those farmers need water. They need a lot of water. So without water, cultivation, they can't continue the cultivation. They can't do the cultivation. So water is a main purpose, main thing for the cultivation. And to generate electricity in Sri Lanka, we generate more electricity from this water. And there are power plants, Lakshapana, like so generate or from the main electricity, more electricity we are distributing from this water. Next one is, we'll go to the one, industries. We'll talk about the industries which are connected with water. We're going to talk about industries. What are the industries? That means they are making things. They are making different things. They are producing to the market a different things like, we'll see what are the things. Fishing, agriculture, beverages, pottery, salt industries, for construction, hydropower plants. We'll see this fishing industry. Fishing industry can't do without water. Fish is there and the water. So they need, so fishing industry they have to do by lake, sea or river. And the next one is agriculture. For agriculture also they need water for the plants. Every day to protect the plants they have to give water to the plants. Next is beverages. What are beverages? That means what are the things that we are drinking or soft drinks. To make the soft drinks they need a lot of water to make the beverages. And pottery. To pottery. Make pottery. For the potteries also, to make pots they have to mix the clay with water. Mix the clay with water and make it a special, make it a good dough-like thing to get to make a pot. Without water, they can't mix this clay. So they need water and mix it well for this pottery. Then saltery. This salt industry, for the salt rains, they need water. They take the sea water to the tanks and from that only they make salt out of the sea water. So main source is sea water. From after that they need water to wash it off little, and there's a big process for everything. They need water for this salt industry. For construction also they need a lot of water to mix into cement and washing and cleaning the places, and for everything they need water for the construction. And hydropower plants, that means from the to make the hydropower they need water. So they use these waterfalls or they make a dams to make this hydropower. Next we'll see about the sports. Sports which connected with water. There are so many sports connected with water. We'll see only few. First is just swimming, boat race, that's a boat race, water rafting, this is water rafting, and diving. These all are the sports related to water. These sports we can't do any without water. This is swimming, boat race, water rafting, diving. For all these things we need water to do these sports. And there are many more, but here only 4. Now we are getting our water by different ways. Some are getting water from the well, from the tap, rain, waterfalls, some are getting rivers. But some people are getting water from the main water supply board. That means from the government, they are purifying water and they are distributing it to the people. So if the people don't have space, if they don't have well to get the water, what they do? They have to connect to this National Water Supply and Drainage Board. This is National Water Supply and Drainage Board. This is the government supply water to the public through the National Water Supply and Drainage Board. Government supply water through this So this is the place, this is the thing that they purify water to suitable for people, and they are distributing it to the people. In why when they are doing it, they have to charge money like our electricity bill, like our telephone bill. They charge. They also have to charge amount for their water consumption. So how people use this water? How people, if they use lot of water, they have to pay more. If they use less water, they have to pay less. This is the water bill they are sending to people. It says water supply and drainage board. It has owner's name. It has this owner's name here, and there's an amount that people have, that person has, that house, how much, that their water consumption, and the price, that how much they have to pay. Everything they have put it in detail, and they are sending this bill to the people who use this water. So what they have to do, each month they are getting this bill. Each month they have to pay according to the bill. According to there's a amount they are sending. So what people has to do, they have to pay. So their name is there, amount they have used, and the amount they have to pay. There are so many things are there, but main thing is what they have amount, the water consumption they have used. And next we'll see this water. Water, when it comes to us, it's not a polluted water. It's very clean water. So from the people only, this clean water getting polluted. We'll see how does water get polluted? How these water getting polluted? How these people polluting this water? It's happening from us. It's happening from you. It's happening from everybody. We'll see what are the bad things happening from us. What are the neglect? How many things we neglect and happening? This water is getting polluted. We'll see. By washing clothes. If there's a river close by, what people do? They use this river for everything. To get the drinking water, and they are washing things. They are going to the river for bathing, everything. They use the water from this river. So they take the water to drink. They take this water to drink. Right. When they want to bathe, what they do? They jump to the river and they wash. And next is, when they want to wash their clothes, what they do? They go to the river or lake or something. They put the clothes inside the river and they wash it. And taking it down, again put in soap. Here see, this lady what she is doing. They put soap to this and again put into the river and washing it. What is happening? All the dirt, all the soap and everything, all the chemical, it's mixing with this clean, good clean water. Then when many people does it, what happened? Will this river water get pure water? No, it's getting polluted water. We'll see what is the next thing. Next, the dumping garbage. The people, what they do, they're going to bathe from the river, and they're eating the clothes. They're sitting on the river bank, and they're eating. What they do, they're leaving everything near the river bank, like plastic bottles and their lunches and what they eat, the paper and what if they biscuit, what the wrappers on this biscuit, everything they put near in the river bank. What happened? It spreads into the water. Another thing, all the garbage, what people do, they bring in from the tractors sometimes, they put into the rivers and lakes, this garbage. Then what is happening? Everything mixing to this river water. And other thing is, people who lives in close by rivers and lakes, they put their drainage, all the drainage to connect, they connect their drainage to this clean water. Everything when it mixing to the water, what is happening? Will it be clean water? No, this water it's not clean. What is happening after that? No one can use this water. Can anyone use this water? No. Even the fish also die. It's poison for the fish also. And other animals, birds also, it's poison. Then nothing can survive with this polluted water. And next is washing animals. Some people, what they do, they take their animals and they are keep putting animal to the water, to the river. They are taking inside the river to the halfway of the river and they are washing it. They are putting soap and animal. It can be dog, it can be cow or anyone. They are washing them. What's happening? This water getting polluted. When we are washing, here see, when he is washing this car, he has drawn this car, half of this, he has drawn onto the river bank and he is washing there. What is happening? All the soap and everything is on the water. Is it a good thing to do? No, it's not a good thing to do. Next is adding industrial waste to the water. Adding industrial waste. Most of people, what they do, they are making their factories close by the river because they can use the river water, and the other thing is they can put their waste to the river. See, all this is some kind of a factory. There all the waste is they have connect to this river or lake. See this color, black color water, it comes out. Everything is mixing to this river, or it can be a river, it can be a lake, whatever it is. This is happening in lot of places. Because of this industrial waste, a lot of rivers and lakes getting polluted, a lot of fish has died and it's not suitable for human also. Due to floods. Next is flood. Due to floods. When floods come in flooded areas, the flooded areas, what's happened? Everything is filling from the water. After that, what happened? Everything is connecting to water. That means everything comes to one level, and all the garbage, toilet pails, and drainage, and everything closing from one level of water, and it's connecting to water. So what happened? Everything, water is getting polluted. This is from oil spills from the ships and boat. Sometimes by accident this is happening. Oil spilling from the ship. That means it's not a small amount we put in. It's a big amount from it. When it's spilling from ships, that means load of oil is going on. And what happened? Lot of animals animals are dying because of that. Because of this oil, a lot of birds are dying. When it touch to the bird, they can't fly after that bird. Their wings getting stick together and they can't fly. Then what happened? They are dying. And the fish, they also started to die because of the poison. This is mixing insecticides. Mixing insecticide. Farmers are using a lot of insecticide for their crops. From the small, when they start to grow this, they use a lot of insecticides. Why? To protect their plants. So when they use each time, it's mixing with the water, and these water connecting to the lakes and rivers. So because of these insecticides, what is happening? Automatically our water also getting polluted. Right. Now we know this water is getting polluted. So we have to be very careful when we are drinking water. We must know whether this water is suitable to drink for us. Not like the very old days. Now our water is getting very polluted. Now we have learned a lot of reasons how these water getting polluted. So this, when it is not, we can't see for our eyes, this water is, sometimes we can't see for our eyes whether this water is polluted or a clean water. So we are not sure. So for ourselves, it's better to drink clean water every time. So how to clean this water? There are main 3 ways to clean water. We'll see. First one is boiling water. First, we have to boil water. Don't drink just water. Don't drink just tap water. It's not good for us. We have to We have to boil the water. We have to boil it and make it cool. Then only we have to drink. From boiling, we can kill a lot of germs. So then only it's good for us. Next is by filtering. Filtering also very good method for drinking water. It removes all the dirt, all the germ by layers. So we have to select good filtering method for our drinking, to get our drinking water. And the next one is by adding chlorine. Chlorine is a chemical. This is a chemical we use to clean water. What is this chlorine? How this is cleaning water? It kills germ. It kills germ in the water and it making us suitable water for us, for our body. So there's a specific amount. There's a suitable amount for chlorine. We can't put much, we can. There's a limit for this water, and it's after that only we can drink. So there are 3 methods: boiling, filtering, and by adding chlorine. We'll see now this water. We are going to do so many things with water. Right? When we are doing water, when we are doing our day-to-day, sometimes daily things with water, or sometimes when we are going to play, or whatever it is, there are daily accidents can happen. You see, what are the accidents? Accidents caused by water. Accidents caused by water. We'll see what are the accidents. First one is drawing. How? When sometimes it can happen for small one, sometimes it can happen for elder, anyone. Drawing. If we are going to bathe in an unknown place, it can happen. Sometimes in the pool even it can happen. So it can kill a person. Definitely it can kill a person. Because of that, we have to be very careful while we are swimming. Let's see. Next is floods. Floods, when we flooded areas, what happened? The whole water, it comes to the one level. That means all the drainage system are connecting to this water, or the garbage, or the toilet pits, drainage, everything is connected to this water. So, is it pure? No. When it's all the things connect to water, it's getting polluted. And what is happening? Because of these pollutions, many people are getting sick, and it's a danger. Because of these things, really danger. Because it's covered whole area, people don't know what is below the water, what is there. So people can die because of this. They are falling to different places, they are stuck some places, and people can be killed. And next is, this is tsunami. We have experienced once, and it's really a disaster. Tsunami is a disaster, bad thing to happen. From this tsunami, many people gave their life. Many people died, many their properties, so many buildings has collapsed and it's damaged and destroyed, many vehicles and so many damages. So many people gave their life for this tsunami. And rainstorm also, lot of problems. Lot of people getting accidents because of this rainstorm, sleeping, and so many accidents are happening at this time, rainstorm. And next is, we'll see how to save water. We have water, so this water, how to save? Collect excess water and use it. Collect excess water and use it. We can collect excess water when we are washing vegetables, when we are washing clothes or something. Excess water is there, so many excess water, so many water we are wasting. We can collect this excess water and we can use it again for something else. For our plants even we can use those water. And if you are not using, turn off the taps. Sometimes some taps are half closed. We can see so many places, sometimes half closed, sometimes not properly. Even a drop by drop, it comes out. Water, it's leaking drop by drop. So we can't leave the taps like that. We have to turn off those taps properly. Not even a one drop can come out. You have to close it and check whether it's closed properly. And we have to check whether taps are leaking. Some taps are leaking. No one is going to make the tap. It's leaking many months. It's leaking. Whole time it's leaking drop by drop. People think, oh, it's one drop. No, we can't leave one drop. We have to save each drop of water. And use rainwater. People can use rainwater many ways for their washings, especially for their washing. As a country, they can use this rainwater for irrigation. So we have to use this rainwater for many things. We can't waste this water and let it go to the sea. We can't do that. We have to use this rainwater and do something from this, and then only we have to let the excess water go. Use the tap with a low flow. Every time, don't open the tap fully. You have to think how much I need. Sometimes for to wash the cup, you have to turn it very fast. Even for your hands, you are washing your hands, but you do make it full open and washing. It goes half of the water, it goes everywhere. So it's not a correct thing. You have to wash it. You have to, when you're opening the tap, you open much you can, much you want, especially much you want. It can be every time half. Half is the limit, I think, for many things. Washing hands, washing plates and things. That's enough. This, you have to find out this thing for homework. Also, there's a homework for you to do in your study bag. You have to find out how the ways of that you can save water. So find it out and do it. And we have talked about the water, how we get water, the ways, and how to protect this water, the water that we are taking, but how to protect this. We are getting water from many ways. This water, how to protect this water without polluting. We can't. How to save this water. We learn how to save, how to open the tap, how to use this water, how to wash from this water, and how to save these things like filling, and how to protect ourselves from the water. We learn how to protect, and each this, my dear children, each drop of water is very important for us. It's very, like I can say this word, it's like a precious, because if water gets polluted, we can't use it again. So if we waste water, again we can't get that. So every drop of water we have to use very carefully and very good way, good in a good manner. That means without wasting, you have to use it for your future. Or otherwise you won't be able to. You have water like this. If you waste water, if you pollute water like this, there won't be not enough water for you all. So what you can do from small days, you must learn to protect this water and save this water for your future and more. Right, children? So this is the conclusion of our lesson, and I hope you have gone through this and you have learned how for your life about this water, and you have to practice this. We are learning for this, to practice for your life, how to keep this in your life, whole lifetime, and may teach to other people also, as it's your duty. Teach to other people, even it is an elder, it doesn't matter. You have to teach your elder, even to your brother, sister, elder sister. It can be your aunt, uncle. It can be, it's okay. If you see a wrong thing happen, you tell, no, it's not a good thing. You can't use use water like this. Don't open tap like this. You can tell. Close the tap properly. If you see anyone close the tap, no, it is not closed properly, you can close it. If you see someone is not closing it, it's your duty to tell them, please can you close this tap anymore. That's your duty, that's our duty. So from small days you learn how to be a good citizen, how to be a good citizen for the country, and for the world, good person. And I hope you will work on it. We'll see you from the next lesson. So thank you and God bless you all.